Now the solution topic la next subtopic பார்ப்போம். It's a next subtopic. This next subtopic for uh, unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution. Second, there is a saturated solution. Third one, super saturated solution. Super saturated solution. So actually last class we studied the solution contains solute plus solvent. Now the solute is less amount of substances in the solution. The solvent is maximum amount of substances in the solution. Okay, so in generally the 9 types of solution we already studied. 9 types of solution. So for that depends on that 3 phases. So now the salt solution, actually the table salt solution considered in generally containing a beaker the solvent of water H2O. We know that this solvent of water, that is a normal tap water, contains some minerals or ions. So that's why they have conducting the electricity. That is, the topic will come in the electrochemistry. So later we will see. So we take the beaker containing the H2O as a solvent. We can add the sodium chloride as a salt. So now the sodium chloride first we can add at the pinch of level, that is completely dissolved. We can get the solution of sodium chloride. So that is a NaCl solution we can get in. So for this solution is nothing but it's an unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution, because this unsaturated solution means the lesser amount of solute present in the solution. Okay, so then one more of the sodium chloride solute is added into the unsaturated solution. For that is dissolved, we can get the clear solution. And again one more of solute we can add it, and again we can add one more of solute for repeatedly. The finally we can get the undissolved solute or presented in the bottom of the vessel. Okay, for this elucidate or this solution is called the sodium chloride saturated solution. Saturated solution. Okay, for this saturated solution means without thermal condition the maximum amount of solute present in the solution, for that is called saturated solution. So now let's see, we can increase the thermal energy or heating energy. So this solute is dissolved. Again we can get the cleared solution for the saturated solution. So for this solution here the solute is added. Again it can be deposited at the bottom of the vessel in the solute. So now this solution is called, there is a sodium chloride supersaturated solution. Supersaturated solution. Actually, in the case of this supersaturated solution, with high temperature or with thermal energy, the maximum amount of solute present in the solution, that's called supersaturated solution. Okay, now let's see the concentration order. The concentration means there is a number of moles in particular volume. Okay, that's nothing but that is a molarity. So later we will see for this concentration terms, all concentration terms we will see later. In generally the concentration order for a supersaturated solution is much more greater than the saturated solution, than unsaturated solution. Okay, so very lesser for the solvent. So for this is the order of the concentration of the solutions as well as the solvent. Okay, so for this will very theoretical basic questions we will solve after completion of the complete solution unit. Okay, thank you to all.